Hello, welcome back to our channel today. We are going to show you how to allow camera access on Messenger. To start this tutorial, open your settings on your iOS device. Tap on it. Once in settings, scroll down. Keep scrolling. All you do here is look for the Messenger application over at your settings. You have to scroll down further. Once you find it, tap on Messenger. Once you are on Messenger, go over and click on Camera. And make sure you turn on the slider and it's already green. Make sure you follow the settings that I have here on my screen. In here, we turn it off. We simply have to turn it back on again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well.